Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to print from Google Docs using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for docs like this, docs.google.com. Okay, so just go ahead and click on enter. And by the way, this tutorial is easy. Okay. So now just go ahead and choose the document that you want to print. So for example, this one. So this is just a sample document, okay? And now just go ahead and click here at the print button at the upper left side of your screen, or you can just go ahead and click on Control plus P on your keyboard. Okay, so now this window will pop up. So what you can do is to just go ahead and choose your printer. Here, the pages, just go ahead and choose any option that you want. So if you choose custom, you can just go ahead and choose any pages you just want to print. And here, the copies, the color. And when you click on the drop down arrow at the more settings, you can see the paper size, pages per sheet, the margins, scale, and this two-sided and other options. Okay. So if you're happy with this, just go ahead and click on print. And now that is how you print on Google Docs from your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.